Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your brand new Workforce ES-865 scanner to your computer wirelessly or with the USB cable. So if this is a brand new scanner, you need to do the initial setup following the installation guide that came with the printer. The scanner. So this is how this scanner will look like. You can see it here. This is how you can do the initial setup. You can power on your scanner, you can plug in the USB cable. So once the initial setup is done, you need to visit epson.com website to download the software in your computer to start using the scanner. So you need to type epson.com in the search bar at the top in the address bar of your browser in the computer, and then you need to go to the support tab on the website. Once you click on the support, you can see the different product. You need to click this scanner. Once you click the scanner, you can see a search box. That's where you need to enter the name of your product. In our case, it's 865. I'll simply type that and you can see it here. Epson ES-865. I'll click on that one and you will see the scanner is appeared here. You can see it here. So you need to click on the download tab because we need to download the software for this scanner. So I'll click on the operating system drop down box and pick our operating system. In my case, it's Windows 10. You could have Windows 11 or Mac operating system. You can scroll down and pick your operating system. I'll pick mine, so which is Windows 10. I'll click on go, and then you can see the driver will appear right here. And I'll have to just, you can see it here, this is a driver and utilities combos package. I'll just click on download. Once it's downloaded in the browser at the top right corner, it's still downloading. You can see it. So it will, once it is downloaded, it will show up the pop-up, and you need to double click on that downloaded file and then start the setup of your scanner in your computer. So this is how this complete setup is done. If you have any problem doing the setup, you can type your queries and your question in the comment box and I will help you. I'll also provide you the link of the user guide, installation guide, and the driver link in the video description, so you can also click and follow the instruction from there. So thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day.